If you want to block mobile data for specific apps on Google Pixel 10, then in that case we need to use a third-party app that allows us to block the access to mobile data for apps of our choice. So we're gonna go to the Play Store and let's search for an app. For example, we can use NetGuard. This is one of probably many apps that allow you to block the access to mobile data. Let's press install and I'm gonna show you how to set it up and so on. Of course, feel free to try to find and use any other app that does the same thing. This is just an example app. So once we open it, we need to press I agree, tap on the switcher at the top in order to enable the app, then press OK, and then once again, over here in these settings, we need to find NetGuard. There we go, let's select it, tap on allow background usage and set it to unrestricted. Let's go back. Now we can tap on this orange text in order to grant notification permissions. There we go. Over here we have some information, so you can tap on OK once you read them. And the app is pretty much now running. Now in order to block the access to mobile data, you can just tap on the mobile data icon on the right side over here, right next to the app for which you want to disable it. So let's say if I want to block the access to mobile data for WhatsApp, I can just tap over here. And there we go. Now in this case, mobile data won't be used for this app, and so on and so forth. Besides that, you can also tap on these three dots in the top right corner, and we can open settings. And over here we have, for example, defaults. And in here we can by default block mobile data for every app. So if this option is enabled, once we go back, as you can see, pretty much every app has blocked access to mobile data. And even if you install new apps, they also will have automatically blocked mobile data, so only Wi-Fi will be used. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe.